everybody, welcome to the Lil Killa Science Kids, and I'm your host, Skylar Capri. This is my sister, the head engineer, Delilah Rose. Hello everybody, this is my other sister, the assistant, Madison Bell.
Hello everybody!
And today we will be doing a project by Tinker Creates, the flying disc machine. Okay, Laura, what are we going to be doing today?
Okay, first let's look at the blueprint. Let's see what materials are included in the package. The materials that we need are base, washers,
washers,
launch wheel, motor holder, mounting plate, foam discs,
right here,
motor,
there,
battery pack, AA battery.
Okay, Delilah, what are we going to do next?
First, let's get on to the instructions. We have to install the motor. Madison, we need the base. Can you get it for me? Now we have to find the big hole that has two tiny circles on it, which is this big hole. Second step requires the mounting plate. So Madison, may you get me the mounting plate?
Yes, I can.
Thank you. Flip it over. Now we need to put the sticky foam curved ones though. Make sure you don't do the square ones. And you just need to stick it on like that. And then you have to take off the tape that's on here. This may seem a little tricky. Now we have to put this on here. Make sure it's the same hole as we talked about earlier. And you're going to stick it on like that. Step 3, we need the motor. May you get the motor for me, Madison?
Yes.
Thank you. Now we have to have the motor cushion. May you get the motor cushion for me? Right here.
Here you go.
Okay. Now we need to take this middle part off, and you have to put it right over here, pretty sure. For step 4, we need the motor holder. May you get that for me, Madison?
This one?
Yes, Madison. Thank you. Now we're going to keep this on, and we're going to put these through the hole. And then we're going to put the motor in. And that should be good.
Okay, Delilah, what are we up to?
We're actually just up to step 5. Do you want to help? Okay, we need the screws. Madison, we need the long bolt. Can you get it for me?
Yes, I can.
Okay, Skylar, you have to put the long bolts in. You put them through this hole, and then you have to get them in the hole underneath. I'll hold it down and screw them in. Okay, now the other side. You might need to press down a little bit on the motor holder because it's hard to get the screws in, and you might need to press it down. Thank you for your assistance, Skylar.
You're welcome.
And now we got our motor done. Now we're going to build the launcher, and we need the launch wheel. Can you get it for me? Thank you. Now we need to put this launch pad on that little pin that's sticking out, the drive shaft. Now we need to put the launch cover on the wheel cover, on here. And we need to even up with the 3 holes.
How's things going?
Good. Do you want to help? Right now, I need you to put, it needs to be lined up. So I need you to put that right here. And then I need you to hold it tight right there. And then we're going to put the screw right here, right through it. Oh, we have to find the hole. And then we need to take this and screw it in. Can you screw it in for me, assistant? Right now, you're going to be my assistant helping me. So we installed these long bolts halfway in, and now we're going to do the battery. May I have the battery? Thank you. Okay, now my assistant Madison's going to put the battery in.
Hey, what are these for?
Actually, we're just using them. Therefore, we're going to put them on here, and then we're going to take off the top. We're going to put the sticky part right here. And then we're going to take off right here. And then we have this two sticky sides. Let's stick it right there.
What's the long line? Thank you.
It should look like this.
That's it.
Right now, we need to match up the wires. The black goes with the black and the red goes with the red. And we're going to do it just like that.
So this with a black just fits with a chin on, and we have this, and here it goes. You see how it works? Okay, it works. Now we're gonna move on to the next step.
We did. Good job so far. It's time to add the guide. Madison, may you get the guide for me?
Yes. So it's this and this one. Here you go.
Thank you.
My method.
You have to add the guide over the remaining holes like this. Put the screw in, Madison. Take off the nut and put in the screw.
Can't take this off. Just push it. Push it. Okay, Laura. It looks like it's done. Let's test it out.
Sure. Madison, get me the flying disc.
Do it in my sleeve because I didn't want to fall out.
Make sure that you should put it in through here and not there. Now, all you need to do is put it in like that, and then it shoots. Let's get our host to do it, Skylar, please.
And now it's my turn.
Yeah. And now my assistant, Madison. And there we go. Now you have a flying disc machine.
Okay, that's it for the Lil Killa Science Kids. I'm thanking Tinker Toys for all the fun projects they had. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment for each and every video.